Thank you. For people in Michigan who struggle with an eating disorder, it's often difficult to find help. But new tonight, a West Michigan behavioral health provider hopes to change that with a new center. Fox 17's Marisa Oberle got a tour of it. She joins us live in the studio with their story. Marisa.
Yep, Josh, Sanford Behavioral Health recently opened up a brand new campus in Marne, and it contains Michigan's first dedicated inpatient eating disorder treatment center. Now, it's hard to quantify just how many people in the state deal with these conditions because they may not even realize it, but current research indicates a dire need.
You know, we've tried to make it as comfortable as we can.
Cozy rooms connected to clean kitchens by hallways filled with hand-picked pictures. Ray Green wants this building to help those who need it most.
There are treatments that will be life-changing and life-saving.
Situated just north of downtown Marne, the 134-patient facility represents Sanford Behavioral Health's latest project. But unlike other programs, it houses a residential eating disorder center, a first of its kind in Michigan.
There are very effective outpatient treatment centers around the state. But should it eclipse to the, more acute stage and needing residential, you would have gotten on an airplane or into a car and you would have gone out of state.
Green blames the issue on society's stigma towards conditions like anorexia and bulimia and a difficult licensure process. She thinks that changes from here on out, though. People who enroll in the center will work with a team of medical and clinical professionals for round-the-clock care.
They oftentimes will need a cocoon, if you will, something that takes them out of the, the daily track of life, all of those triggers, all of those things that are allowing that disease to progress, and put into a safe environment.
The University of Michigan says eating disorders affect between 7 and 10 million people in the United States. And while it's typically associated with women, men account for up to 10% of cases. Those numbers may increase, though, because of COVID-19. A peer-reviewed study found the number of adolescent admissions to the university's hospital more than doubled during the first 12 months of the pandemic.
We also want it to feel very validating.
It's numbers like those that Green says demonstrate a need for places like Sanford Center that can support those who need it most.
This is all so hopeful. That part of their life has really...
And while that facility houses the Eating Disorder Center, it is also a licensed to treat substance use disorders and mental health issues. If you or someone you know needs help with an eating disorder, we have links to additional resources on our website at fox17online.com. I'm reporting live in the studio, Marisa Oberle, Fox 17 News.